Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family. And thank you as you do that. So guys, are you tired of dark circles? Yes, have you been looking for a video that can help you clear dark circles? If you have, please worry no more. This video will be your last bus stop, okay? Just watch till the end and I will show you the easiest home hack, home remedy you can use to clear your dark circles. Okay guys, so without much talk, let's get right into it.
So guys, to prepare this treatment, you only need 2 ingredients to do that. So the first ingredient is Vaseline. Go ahead, get Blue Seal Vaseline, the original one. Then you take small amount of it and add it into the plate. Vaseline has soothing properties. Vaseline helps to get rid of flaky, itchy skin. So if you're having flaky, itchy skin, try applying original Vaseline on those places, okay? So the next thing to add here is turmeric. For this treatment, I'll be using organic turmeric. I don't know, for some reason I feel like organic turmeric is more potent. I don't even know. But you can use any turmeric you have, be it organic or not, okay? So now go ahead and add small amount of it into the Vaseline and mix until they combine properly. So while mixing at this point, if you have vitamin E oil, you can also go ahead and add vitamin E oil to it. It's a plus, okay? But if you don't have it, no problem. Just prepare this and use this. This also works without vitamin E oil, but vitamin E oil is to take it to another level.
So guys, that is it. We are done mixing it and here I have it with me. It's just a simple home remedy and this helps a lot. This treatment helps a lot, guys. How do you use this treatment? Just make sure your face is washed. This treatment is well used at night. Just use it at night if you really want to see result fast. Although skin type differs, yes. What worked for me within 3 days might take 1 month or even a day to work for you. Yes, just understand that skin type differs, okay? But this really works. With consistency, you will start to see your dark circles fading away. Yes, so how do you use it? After mixing it, just go ahead at night, wash your face, take small amounts of it, apply it on your dark areas, dark circles, the places you have it. Go ahead and apply it there. Go ahead and apply it there. After applying it, you don't need to wash it out. Sleep with it. Once you wake up in the morning, then you can go ahead and wash it out and apply your face moisturizer and your sunscreen. Very, very important. You know, there's one mistake I was making when I moved to Europe, the mistake was that I don't use sunscreen. Yes, because I was like, there's no sunlight, there's no too much sunlight here, so what's the essence of using sunscreen? Not knowing that whether there is sunlight or not, please use your sunscreen while you're going out. Yes, use your sunscreen. Is very, very important, okay? So after applying it under your eye at night, just go to bed with it. When you wake up in the morning, then you can wash it out and apply your face moisturizer and your sunscreen. Okay guys, instantly within 1 month, 3 weeks, 3 days, 1 week, depending on your skin type, you will begin to see your dark circles fading away. Yes guys, so this is how you can treat your dark circles at home. Okay, so that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't fail to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Comment and share this video, okay? And I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.